And they're both, you can hook them up on your phone, so I can look at this one and tell when Linda's cooking and I'm not working. I like them because they're smart. And right now we have quiches in here. They're almost done.
Yeah.
But it's got a nice little musical timer, so I use this loud one because I need to have a loud timer because we might be doing stuff and not, pay attention to the musical sound.
Gotcha.
Yes, these things can air fry. Not that we're going to air fry any pies, but yeah. But these are residential, but we use them. And we also use these guys over here. These are noisemakers, but these are, you can do like 15 pies at a time in this guy. This is, let's see, we had Ishmael, so this is Isaac, and this is Jacob. Because everything in this place has a name. All the appliances, the freezer over there, that's Tim. Tim is the oldest refrigerator. Tim behind you is 40 years old.
Whoa.
But he's a beast. Tim is a beast. And this is Zippy. Zippy is a garage ready, so they say. But he's the newbie.
That's his name up there?
Yeah, see there's Zippy.
Zippy.
Yes. Yeah. One of our first employees decided that we should name them so that we would know all of the different. So we have Lucy and Ethyl back there in the back. And then we have a shed outside. It's called the Ark. And it's got Noah and I don't know who else. Noah and Gabriel, 2 freezers. We got a shed just to put freezers in.
Oh, okay.
Because, we only had 17 of them. Now we have 19.
Ooh.
And people say, why don't you get a walk-in cooler? Well, if one of them goes down, all we have to deal with is the loss of that one. But if we had an entire cooler and it went down, you lose your whole inventory.
Everything.
Yeah, so we use a lot of, our fruits are frozen, our vegetables are frozen. That way you get reliable, consistent quality. And so we have all of this fruit and what they're doing, you just out there, that crust that they're making is gonna go in the freezer so that when we're ready to make a pie, like we'll make apple pie in a little while. We'll pull the crust out and we'll put that together. So we have all these working parts in freezers. But when they start making pies, they'll put pies in here so that they freeze solid. Then they'll wrap them. And then when we're ready to bake an apple pie, we'll pull it out of the freezer, just like Mrs. Smith's. So this is the back freezer room, fridges and freezers. Okay, so this is Lucy, and she's next door to her big friend Ethel. Ethel's name tag, that one, fell off and broke, so we're stuck with a post-it note. Come this way, and this is Bob. I have no explanation as to why we named him Bob. And then since this is Pie Heaven, this is Angel. And this is King, because he's the big boy. And this is his wife, Queen. Again, Queen's thing fell off because, we open these doors and we swing them wide. So there's that. And that's only 6 of the 19